Hey guys, exciting news. 1000 subscribers. We have crossed. I told earlier we will come and speak with you in 500 subscribers, but the pace was so fast that I decided maybe we will touch 1000 and then we will come. We touched 1000 subscribers this morning. First 100 we got it in 11 days and rest 900 we got it in 10 days. This is very exciting journey for all of us, and I'm so thankful that you all supported in this endeavor. This is the time where I want to probably take a little bit of more time and thank few people. This is a period of corona. We are all sitting at home. It is not easy to start a YouTube channel and then spend huge amount of time in front of camera without support of family and my son Akshat Sampath. It's very difficult because I take ownership of a room and then I tell people not to disturb me. And for a very small kid, it's very tough to understand, but God's grace, yes, I am gifted, He understands. Second, going forward, we are now talking about subscribers. My first subscriber is somebody who I know very dear to me, Sundar Krishna of Lights on Entertainment. He is the first guy who immediately, the minute I said, okay, I'm going to start something, this is the channel, boom, you get your first subscriber. That's very supportive, isn't it? So, thank you, Sundar. Always, Lights on Entertainment is very close to me. And apart from family, apart from lot of other friends, you always have an inspiration who actually pushes you to that level. I would definitely like to take a lot of name in this, but one of the very few very inspirational character whom I met in my life is Vivin. She actually always has a lot of confidence in me, and then she pushes me to do a lot of things. Even now, every video she actually sees, and then there is some or other some kind of a response feedback she used to she's the same. So I'm very thankful for that. Very huge inspiration, Vivin. Thank you. uh, the other extended family are my guests. Okay, specifically I start with Mr. Sudarshan. Such a nice personality, and when I went and told him saying that I'm going to start a channel, it's completely fresh. This is not something which you can expect a huge viewership, but I need your support. Not even a second. He said, absolutely. So, Sudarshan sir, we have touched 1000 subscribers, and your video is already in the verge of touching 2900 views, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much for your first interview. Jatin Chowdhury of eChai. This corona period gave a lot of very interesting character, brought very interesting character in my life. Jatin is one of them. Very, very, very subtle person and on the ground person, and but the kind of a reach or the achievement that he has accomplished is huge, huge. Okay, and he is on the stage moderating uh, all big shows. But if you speak with him, you will not feel that you are actually talking with a very big person. He is a very down to earth person, and a lot of input came from him on how to run the channel, what are all the materials. The biggest game changer came when I went to Jatin and told him saying that, hey, I'm getting subscribers, I'm very happy for it, but I'm not able to convert the subscription into views. Next minute, ladies and gentlemen, he sends the material and he says that this is, why don't you follow this? And I followed that, and it gave a tremendous amount of boost. It's not about promoting the material. It is about identifying who exactly is the target audience and how to identify the target audience. It was wonderful. Thank you, Jatin, for giving me the interview and also the entire support that you have been giving me till now. And I hope you will continue to do the same. And Bertie, I told you, man, you are an inspiration. And that video went very nicely, in good reception with people. And look, Ashley, Auntie, thank you so much for calling me and giving me the blessings. It was wonderful. Okay. In the world of business and profession, there is always a nice thing if there is a personal touch to it. So your call gave me a lot of enthusiasm to do much more forward. And the next is a game changer. My interview with Chaitanya. Okay. Uh, I would probably say that Chaitanya is somebody whom I really know. So I had a lot of warmth in asking the question what I wanted to ask him. A lot of feedbacks came. I will read few of the feedbacks which came here also. So a lot of things which gave a good boost. Chaitanya's video is one. There was a tremendous rush in the views. There was tremendous rush in subscription. There were all forwards. There's Facebook. There's everything, and it was amazing to note that it was a game changer. And on the other hand, it gave another twist or probably a positive twist to the entire story is that I started receiving a lot of feedbacks from somebody whom I have no idea who they are. So that is the power of social media. I will read one or two feedbacks which came to me, which I'm extremely proud of. That is the purpose why this channel was started on the first place. Uh, I have made a list of things so that I am not forgetting. Okay, so first thing is I got this email from Sabah. Okay, she is she is currently in Malaysia, but she is from Bali, Indonesia, and she has actually started her own perfume uh, industry showroom, whatever you want to call it. Very small. If at all you have been to Bali, homemade non-alcoholic perfumes are very famous there. So she started doing that, and she has wrote to me saying that because of Corona, like we all are stuck in my family uh, relative place in Malaysia, and I have got to know about your uh, channel from uh, another gentleman. Okay, so the success story is like this. She saw the basic communication pack, external communication pack video what I have presented, and she has created a beautiful communication of her shop, and she started communicating with the potential prospects. And she also goes on says that I saw your who can be your first customer and how to get your first customer video, and I exactly did that. And I am very happy to say I have now got not only the first customer, but also 6 months of my products are already sold. All I have to do is do it and send it to them. Thank you very much. I think very simple communication and very nice PowerPoint presentation is enough to show what the message is. This made my day because this is exactly what I've been telling people. You don't need a flashy channel to communicate what you want. Just words are more powerful. So let us go to the next. Dr. Ibrahim from Philippines. I know Ibrahim, Dr. Ibrahim. He is from the college which our videos are being showcased. He actually sent saying that two of his students, okay, who were very confused, saying that whether they want to uh, do a education or want to start a company, they have decided that they will partner up. Okay, and they have already started working on the basic concepts. And Dr. Ibrahim is a mentor. And my video on who can be an entrepreneur and how to choose a mentor, they have seen and they have chosen Dr. Ibrahim as a mentor, and he has wrote to me on 20th of June, okay, which is 2 days back. He wrote to me that we are now all set, and when the week opens, we are registering our company. Isn't that wonderful? So this these things make me so happy because a very small video can change somebody's life to the good, to the positive. Okay, is something which is really really good. I thank all other guests who have been part of my show, Nachiket Patel, Navani, and all the future guests who are going to come. And I thank all the academic people. KLN Group of Institution has been a great support for me. Like Dr. A.V. Ramprasad, Dr. Jodi Murugan. Uh, thank you so much. And as I always say, we always see outside world and then like find a lot of inspiration and thankfulness to them. But there is a lot of first circle friends who support you. We cannot forget them. Gayatri from Valliyamma Institute, Rajesh Rangaraj from Tyagaraja Group of Institutions, Madurai, uh, Xavier from Chennai Business School, all my Relive 96 friends. Like you cannot just do things your own. You need people who understand you and then who can convey your message to the other groups. Abhishek Sanwal from Expressive Fly. I am making a startup launch cast of Expressify, so maybe you will see him in front of camera very soon. And along the people who have inspired and supported you, a very big shout out to Bala from Data Miracle. He is one of the first person who attached our video to his training. Brand Miracle is a training page which he's having. He attached our channel to that. It's a very big boost. When people from professional world, selflessly straight away attach your material into their training pedagogy, it gives you immense pleasure. There is yet another testimonial which I want to mention. Again, from inner circle friend, from the first circle friend. We have a WhatsApp group called PP2K, our engineering friends, and I want to read out a testimonial from my friend. His name is Vishnu Prabhu. This is specifically after looking at the music avatar of Bertie. He is saying that, like, thanks for sharing this wonderful interview with friend. Lot many inputs. We got this from video, and he is able to link. He's saying that I'm able to correlate some of my activities which I'm doing. I will continue to watch your channel, and based on the passion, how you can take that passion and create a brand out of that without affecting your professional career is something which is a complete new line. And he says that how his passion towards photography helped him in his version also, and he has also said that he has started a new passion, okay, in music. And after looking at this video, he wants to take it extremely seriously, and he wants to create a professional touch or professional continual engagement in that. These are people who actually constantly inspire you, okay, and they in turn give you the boost. Arti Vasan from Hyderabad, you need that extra push every time. Like when things are little tough, you need that extra push saying that, hey, don't worry, it will come, just go ahead. So these are the people who literally gave this channel a very good flavor, okay. And the reason why I'm taking time and mentioning all these things is because it is not only a health which matters, it is the gratitude that matters. I'm very grateful to these people, and I'm very grateful to all others who are indirectly part of that. Few people I may not know. So thank you so much, and I will meet you in 5,000 subscribers. By the way, as I'm speaking, we have crossed 8,500 views consolidated. It is not a very big number. See, I'm a guy from media. I'm a guy from media who has given millions of views. Okay, this 8,500 views is not a big number. This 1,000 subscribers is not a big number. But the channel which we are doing is all about learning. This is not about celebrity. This is about learning how to learn from a person who is just next to you. Okay, or how to learn from an expert and then apply it in your life. And these things, small things, actually is very important. One of the things in this entire rush of world we forgot is we forgot to take some time and thank people. And that is something which I don't want to make the same mistake. I will take ample time to thank every single person who has supported this channel to come to this level. We are grateful. This is not the end milestone. This is only a start. There is going to be a huge journey, and there are other people who will be supporting them. And at that point in time, we will take time and we will come again and thank them. Thank you so much, all of you. And I hope this is just a start. And after this video, you will again share our channel to a lot more friends and bring a lot many subscribers and lot many views. See, I can tell you one thing. There is absolutely no commercial thing in this. This is straight away, very simple communication. What I know, what I see as an inspiration, I am bringing this in front of you, in front of this camera. If you like it, subscribe to our channel, share all the videos, like all the videos, and I will see you in another training or interview videos. Until then, thank you very much. Terima kasih. Selamat.